Greetings, everyone. This is Major back again to discuss the recent happenings. Today is Tuesday, June 27th, and there's blood in the streets. Everyone is losing their mind, losing their shirts, going crazy because there's been a significant drop in a lot of prices. And so what do I think about this? I think this is a prime example of why you should be a value investor. Meaning, if you made a purchase and you wake up, you made a purchase, let's look at what's happening. There's been a reduction in the overall market cap value from about 115 billion to around a low point of about 98 billion. So that's a significant drop in market cap of the overall cryptocurrency space. But what people are not looking at, people are looking at a drop from the 118 to, let's say, 97. Okay, 115 to 97. Okay, so from 115 to 97, that's $18 billion that's left the crypto space within the last 4 to 5 days. But the part that they're seem to forget is the move from 50 billion to the 115 million. So when you see that kind of rise from 50 billion to 115 billion, that's 65 billion rise, to me, is more significant and what you should really be focusing on, more so than the 15 to 18 billion reduction. And because to me, that shows, some profit taking, people looking at all of those profits that they've made and saying, okay, let's take some money off the table. And I believe that they're just going to re-enter the space at what they see as lower prices because of the fear and take advantage of the fear of other players to accumulate more coins, because that's the name of this game. This game is all about the accumulation of coins, not fiat or price. I would rather have, 1,000,000 coins than one coin that has a, $10,000 value, because if I believe in the overall value proposition, those coins will one day be worth, the $10,000 each. So let me accumulate as many coins. The game is to accumulate as many coins while it's undervalued, so that when that day comes and look at all the Bitcoin millionaires. They accumulated a lot of coins when it was undervalued, knowing that this day would come when it would be worth $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per coin. That's the name of the game. That's how you play this game, and that's how you become very successful at this game, is by taking advantage of the fear and doing and moving ahead of the crowd, seeing what the value and seeing where that value is and placing your bets in advance. That $1,000 that person, when Bitcoin was a penny, people might have said that person is ridiculous. They're insane. Why would you put $1,000 or $10,000 into this thing that is monopoly money? But today, those people that did that have been handsomely rewarded. So with all the blood in the streets today, I say, if you're a value investor and you believe in the value, yes, I understand, if it went from $1 to $10 and you bought at $9.89, and now you wake up and it's $6 or $5.50, you're like, oh, I've lost. But I think that's the wrong way to look at it. If you believe in the overall, if you were value of that transaction at $9.89, then it's even a better value at $5.50. If you believe in the fundamentals of that project. So to me, it's not just about buying the dip on price, it's buying the dip on value. Because you believe $9.89 was a good deal, then $5.50 is even a better deal. Because this thing is going to, when you bought it at $9.89, you thought this thing was going to go to $20, $30, $50. Why do you think that it will not do that just because it went down in price? Now, if there was a hack, if there was something, if the management team changed, if something fundamentally changed to change the value proposition, then I would agree it's time to get out. But if nothing has changed except the price, then I think it's a better deal. And I think you should do as I do. Well, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm buying. So if you found this informative, give it a like. If not, sell, and I'll buy your coins. Thanks.